In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the window table calculation in Tableau. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to strengthen your Tableau skills, this tutorial will guide you through a fundamental process that can significantly enhance your data analysis capabilities. So, let's dive right in and unlock the power of window table calculation together. First, we're going to start by opening the Tableau application on your computer. This is where all the magic will happen. Once you've launched Tableau, you'll see your workspace ready to go, a blank canvas awaiting your data critique. Next, I want you to select your workbook. This should be the specific project you're currently focusing on. If you haven't already created one, you might want to set up a new workbook to keep things organized. Selecting the right workbook is crucial as it contains all your sheets and dashboards, providing a centralized location for all your analytic tasks. Now, we're going to create a window calculation. This type of calculation is instrumental in analyzing trends and patterns over a period or within given parameters. To do this, look at the data pane where your measures and dimensions are listed. Right-click on your desired measure or the data field you intend to analyze. This opens a context menu where you can carry out various actions. From the menu that appears, you will want to click on Create Calculated Field. A new dialog box will pop up. This is where you'll craft your custom formula. Crafting a well-thought-out calculated field is like setting the stage for the insights you wish to uncover. In this text field, type in the formula you'd like to use for your window calculation. This could be something like window sum, sales, or another formula depending on the data operation you wish to perform. This formula allows you to perform advanced calculations like running totals, moving averages, and other complex analyses right across your dataset. After that, we're going to integrate this calculated field into your visualization. Simply drag the new field from the data pane to the rows shelf on your Tableau workspace. Placing it here will allow you to immediately see the impact of your calculation on your data visualization. Rows and columns are perfect spots to generate a visual display of your calculation, whether you're creating graphs, charts, or any other form of visualization. So there you have it. You've now set up a window table calculation in Tableau. This feature can hugely enhance your data insight process by allowing you to perform dynamic calculations across a set of values. Practicing this technique will empower you to derive more meaningful insight from your datasets, bridging the gap between data analysis and strategic decision-making. Thanks for watching, and feel free to dive deeper to explore the vast capabilities that Tableau has to offer.